Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kala kalalong ka Medical College ba Nyngkong ha Meghalaya hadin ka jingyo jing itu ba jing manjur na ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ba kan sedangno ikikos ya ka PA Sangma International Medical College ka badon ha Kiling Riboy District. Ya kanila yuthu da Chancellor ka USTM Uma Bubul Hug Lamb Professor GD Sharma but upat Mashri Dr. S. Saharia Hashilong Press Club Minhaka Sauturik Urisau. Chancellor ka USTM Ma Bubul Hug uyathu ka college kalayo eka jingbit ban penrung class ya shispa san phongut ki samla puli ha ka shisnem menta kadang up saya ka jingbit na ka National Medical Commission NMC. Haba pentip syakilat pathai khubor Chancellor ka USTM Ma Bubul Hug lem kila pentip ba ya ka jingbit na ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ka Sarkar India bakan sedang pentri kamno ya ka PE Sangma International Medical College and Hospital na ka benta usnem puli arhajar arpsau. Na ka benta shispa asan pho ki seat MBBS shwa kani uhag ulapan ya ka jingkershan na ka Sarkar Jylla. Halor ka jingbay tingka ya ka Medical College ulaong na ba ka jingpuli MBBS ka day ka balut sanba. Ulapan ni ka jingbay tingka na ka Sarkar Jylla kanang ba ka ni ka Medical College kanyo banbu bha kerpang ya ki samla puli ka Jylla Meghalaya. Nalor ka ni ka USTM kala donru ka hospital ka batrekam bar kan sa kentiu kerdan siya ka Super Speciality Hospital hakis nemban 1 kabandon ya palan si hajar tali ki jingthia. Ka hospital ya menta ka don ya ka x-ray bat ki wei ki tiar sor kum ka endoscopy fibroscan CT scan bat ki wei ki he ka NMC kila wan yu kejat ha Jylla bat pen ilenti ka Sarkar Jylla ha kisnem balaletnyo.
All members for the super specialty facility where all such kind of transplant facilities starting from kidney, then organ transplantation, then liver transplant, and all this such kind of transplantation facility will come from the next year. Now we have all modern infrastructure in all the departments of clinical services. We have 13 departments starting from surgery, medicine, orthopedics, then dentistry, then dermatology, psychiatry. All such facilities are available. So I'll be inviting all the media friends that you also visit our campus. We'll be deciding a particular date and we'll be providing amenities to come, and so that you can explore the facilities available for the people of Meghalaya, and especially for the students and also the patients. As we are a university, so research is our one of the mandatory criteria, because if we want, you are all knowing that it is a grade university. So continue with this accreditation, higher accreditation. We have to continue the research facility at higher end. So we have already sophisticated research labs where you are all knowing during pandemic that everywhere even cried, and we have realized that there must be a comprehensive and sophisticated research facility everywhere in all medical institutions. So with this ambition, we have set up the research facilities, and I hope with the support, continued support from the state of Meghalaya and people of Meghalaya, our university will be achieving greater heights in the coming days, because just we have entered in the healthcare facility. Besides MBBS program, we will have allied paramedical courses starting from nursing, paramedical courses, laboratory technology, occupational therapy, and all such OT technician programs, where I have seen that many students from the state of Meghalaya are joining. Nursing, in the nursing programs, nearly 350 nurses have joined. Out of 350, I think nearly 275 nurses from the state of Meghalaya alone, and they are doing extremely well. So we are exploring this approach also through our upcoming nursing college, which will be operational for the month of November. So these are the information for all of you. I think it will be more appropriate that if you ask the MOU, but it is my personal interest that Meghalaya student must be getting benefits. So I met the Honorable Health Minister today, Dr. Lindo. I personally met before 2 days. I met the Honorable Chief Minister once when we received the direction from the Ministry of Health that how it can be expedited so that present batch can get the benefit. So I think by next 1 week it will be very much clear. So it was our calculation that in 20 years we will be returning the entire amount. That calculation has been made, which is nearly 233 crores rupees is calculated by the expert team. So it is lying with the state government. I think by next 1 week they will be considering it very seriously so that students of the state can get the benefit.
This
Facility, but we took loan already. We have taken huge loan, nearly 250 crores loan, and we have been constructing. But if we get the fund, then it will be most we can speed up the construction activities, because the super specialty facility is a 1100 bedded hospital. So we need a huge fund. So I already made the request that if they can expedite, I think it will be beneficial mutually for the state as well as for the institution.
So for the course of MBBS, what is the basic fee structure?
Fee structure, we have arranged the fee structure like this so that we can attract the brilliant students. So our minimum fee structure for the 5 years is 89 lakhs rupees. Means yearly it will be around 18 lakhs something. So it is 89, but it is up to 350 marks in the NEET examination. Below 350, their fee structure is little bit high, another 3-4 lakhs extra. So like this, we have a 3 different kind of fee structure, but the state government is different. State government fee structure is only government fee structure. Do you know that in a government college, the fee structure is 80,000-90,000 rupees. In somewhere it is 1 lakh rupees. So in the